Hello, it's Mike with the cleaningstandard.com and wanted to give you a quick tour of the landing page at the Cleaning Standard, not the forum, but the landing page that will take you to the forum, will take you to our resources and training manuals and customer care sheets and our shareable spot cleaning guide and manufacturers catalogs and equipment manuals for old truck mounts, new truck mounts, etc. We have industry links for our supporting and preferred manufacturers, distributors, and trainers. We have a homeowner access where they can not only talk to us about their concerns or questions with their flooring or their vacuum cleaner or spot cleaning, they can also ask our very well trained AI bot, Pro Helper, on virtually any question a consumer could come up with. Basic as how do I find a good carpet cleaner? Why did my carpet ripple after the last carpet cleaner? Why didn't this spot come out? Why is it fading under the rug, etc. There's our professional link here up top so you can sign up and get different benefits, which I'll let you look at as they're quite descriptive here about what you get for your membership. Don't be afraid to push buttons, folks. You're not going to break anything. And again, click all these links, scroll up and down. You can always come home to the cleaningstandard.com by clicking the logo. But these are all links. Check them all out. Spend a little time here. And we know you're going to love what you find as it's focused on cleaning a carpet, tile, stone, grout, wood, area rugs, upholstery, and more without any of the noise of other social media. None of the hate and anger and vulgarities you'll find on other platforms. Just good, clean fun, and we hope to see you soon.